Hello, I just want to greet every mothers that is watching this video of Happy Mother's Day, especially to my mother, Danilyn Kisi. Enjoy your day, me. And just to let you know that I'm proud of you and God bless.
Hello, May. Happy Mother's Day po. This is your second son, MJ. Nagpapasalamat na sa lahat ng suporta na binigay mo po sa amin. At pasensya na at kung hindi man kita na message araw-araw, hindi man kita na-update araw-araw, or sagpaminsan lang kita ma-update. Sorry po kasi hindi ko po mabigyan ng oras ang pagme-message kasi just like you know me po na hindi naman ganoon ka sa communication. So sorry po, and salamat po sa laging binibigay niyo pong love sa amin, and always take care of yourself po, and wag mo pong pababayaan yung sarili mo dahil ikaw lang po yung mag-aalaga dyan. Kung nagkasakit ka po, sino po mag-aalaga sa iyo dyan? Di ba po ikaw lang din? So palagi ka pong mag-iingat and always na isipin ang sarili at laging uunahin ang sarili bago ang iba. Love you, May. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you po. Love you again.
Hello Joy. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa support mo lagi sa amin. At Happy Mother's Day sa aking asawa din. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo lagi sa amin ni baby. I love you always. Happy Mother's Day both of you. Love you both.
Hello, my dear. Happy Mother's Day. I appreciate your life. Thank you for everything you sacrificed for me, for unconditional love, your support, and everything you do for me. Hoping that you will spend your day with joy and happiness in your heart. I pray that you will always continue to serve God. May God always blesses you and cover you with His blood. I pray for your protection and for your health. Have a wonderful day, my dear. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. No more dramas na. Pero I just wanna say thank you sa lahat ng mga sacrifices na binigay niyo sa amin ni Allison. And sana in the future dumating yung panahon na I don't need to wake up every morning para mag-prepare sa work. Yun lang, Ma. Thank you sa lahat. We love you.
So, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola Lay. Happy Mother's Day, Lola Lay.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Hello! Happy Mother's Day! Gift ko.
Happy Mother's Day! I love you!
Hi Me! Happy Mother's Day to you. I hope that you would enjoy your day today and make the most out of your stay in Taiwan. Be fruitful and remarkable. So I just want you to remember that I am always here to help you. Ngayon na nakapag-graduate ka na and nakagraduate ka na rin sa mga bayaran sa tuition fees and allowances. So now it's my time to pay back for all of the sacrifices that you've done. So now don't stress yourself too much because as you would always say, God has a plan for all of us and for the future endeavors. Yun nga, so God bless always and ingat ka palagi. Happy Mother's Day!
Hello po. Hinahanap ko lang po sana yung pinakamaganda ko pong mama. Nandiyan lang po siya eh. Gusto ko yun eh kasi maganda. Oh, diba? Yan! Hi ma. Happy Mother's Day. Happy 23rd Mother's Day. Magta-24 na. Actually, hindi ko na rin po maisip kung ano po ba yung mga pwede kong sabihin na hindi magiging redundant sa ilang taon ko ng pagpapasalamat sa Lord dahil naging mama kita. Pero siguro, personally, I would like to thank you po kasi mas nagiging mas na-appreciate ko yung adulthood dahil sa'yo. Dahil mas na-explain mo siya, mas nakaka-relate ako sa ibang mong mga experiences, tsaka yung iba niyo pong mga examples, parang mas nagigets ko siya as matanda na tayo dalawa. Pero regardless, I'm still very thankful and very happy to always stay as your baby. Baby girl! Ano pa ba? Happy Mother's Day! Sana hindi ka po magsawa. Dahil meron kang anak na kasing kulit ko. See you soon. See you soon! Kakakita lang natin last month. Pero yun po. Happy Mother's Day! Miss you and I will always love you. Love you. God bless. And see you soon.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. You're the best, and thank you for taking care of us.
Hi, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Chuchup. I love you. Ingat.
Ingat po lagi.
Ingat po lagi. Mama Chuchup, bye-bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! Kahit always tayo nag-aaway, love you!
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifice na ginagawa mo sa amin.